Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I've got a fun one for you. It's a concealer hack that I thought of last week and I've been doing ever since then. Like every single day I've been testing this out with different concealers and it works. It really works in just making your concealer last, making the under eye area appear or look really smooth, kind of like fresh all day is essentially what this is going to do to your under eye area, or at least that's what it's been doing to me. And I had to put this video together because I looked all over YouTube and every concealer hack that I've run into, or any concealer hack video that I watched, never mentioned anything like this. The only one that I've seen do something similar to this is Jackie Aina, the fabulous Jackie Aina. When I was following her how to conceal the under eye area video, the one that I posted a few months ago, at the very end after she, I believe like set the under eye area with powder, she grabs a brush, she dips it in a little bit of powder, and then she takes a setting spray. She kind of like just sprays the air and then runs the brush through it. And then she just kind of glides it very lightly over the under eye area. We're gonna be doing something similar to that, but not the same thing. So what I'm gonna do is just go through my normal routine, which includes color correcting the under eye area, applying concealer and blending it out, and setting it with a setting powder. And then I'll show you exactly what I've been doing in order to get the under eye area to look really nice and smooth and set and fresh all day long. So let's go through it. So color correcting first. Next, foundation, but I do skip applying foundation to the under eye area, so I guess this part really doesn't matter. Next, concealer, and I'm using my Pat McGrath today, but I've used this little hack with my Pat McGrath, my Tarte Shape Tape, my Boing Cakeless, my Hourglass, like all of my favorite concealers, and it works. It works with every single one, like in any scenario. So it doesn't really matter which one you use, just use the one you prefer. And just blending it out, I'm using my trusty Deluxe Crease brush from Real Techniques. Next, I'm going to set the under eye area using my Pat McGrath under eye blurring powder. This one's in the shade medium. So just grabbing a little bit of that and setting everything in place. All right, so after the under eye area is set and everything is blended out, everything's in place, this is what I've been doing for the last 5 days, like the last solid week, is I've been taking a nice fluffy brush, just something that fits really nicely underneath the eyes. This one is the Soft Blend brush from Sigma Beauty. It is their number 60 brush. And then I take a setting spray. I'm using the Stay Spray from Tarte today, but I've also used the Milani Make It Last spray. Works well with that as well. Just a setting spray. So take this, I spray my brush and make sure that it's not like this because you don't want to oversaturate the brush. You want like a nice mist on the brush, kind of like morning dew on grass. That's what I think of it as. So anyway, we're gonna spray it once, then we're gonna spray it again. It's gonna leave you with a nice light mist all over the brush. And what you're gonna do is just gonna tap this underneath the eyes. So I always tilt my head down just to make sure that everything is like nice and flat. And then just pat my brush on it. And then I turn the brush to get the other side, like that. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. If you ever feel like you oversaturated it, I always keep like a little hand towel on my lap. And then what I do is when I feel like I've done too much, I just swirl the brush around in there, dries pretty quickly, and then I just try it again. So anyway, taking this and doing the same thing underneath the left side, because if you oversaturate it, if you don't just get like a nice thin little light mist on the brush, it will move your makeup around. It will. If you oversaturate it, it will move it around, and you do not want that. And I do it 2 times. So while I let this one dry, I will do this eye, and then while I let this eye dry, I'll do this one again, and then this one again. So I alternate, and I just do it 2 times under each eye. So once more. And then again. So now let me zoom you guys in so that you can get an up close look underneath the eyes. All right, so this is what it looks like underneath the eyes. And it'll stay looking like this for pretty much the entire day. So there you have it. That is what I've been doing the last few days, and it has worked so well. Let me know if you try it, and let me know what you think down below. I'm really interested to see if anyone else has the same experience. But yeah, it's definitely made a difference under my eyes, and so I hope it makes a difference under yours. Anyway, that completes today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video and that you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. And also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, where I absolutely love to interact with you guys. As always, take care, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye.